C'est quoi ça?
C'est un Proto X.
Un Proto X.
C'est pas supposé être bien waterproof, mais on va checker ça. Oh! Ouais, c'est waterproof.
It's waterproof. So this is a Proto X. This is a Proto X, and this is what you should not do with a Proto X, is put it in water. But this guy actually put this stuff on it, and he packed it up, and now he threw it in there for a couple times, but let's just see what happens. It's still blinking. And it's alive! A bunch of guys do FPV. This is what they'll look like when they're flying. They just sit there and...
Yeah, no social interaction, nothing.
No, they just sit there and look up.
Yeah.
Look, not even look up. They just... Some of them look down, some of them look sideways.
Yeah.
Well, the sun is slowly dying. There's Emmanuel having fun with his fat shark goggles. Looking good there, Emmanuel. What are you flying, Emmanuel? Vortec. He's the one with the green lights at the back. Not sure where he is right now. Ah, he's coming in. Those things are not very good to fly. To videotape, I mean, because they look like little bees.
Stop.